Hello students, if you are looking for the answers of the questions from the chapter, Locating Places on the Earth, from the Social Science book of Class 6, then this video is for you. There are 50 questions with answers from this chapter in this video. You are seeing the list of the questions. If you are interested in such kind of question and answer from the other topics of different subjects of different classes, you may visit the channel and subscribe it. Let's start. Question 1. What do you mean by map? Answer. Map is a miniature of an area which can be big or small. Question 2. What is an atlas? Answer. Atlas is a collection or book of maps.
Question 3. Briefly discuss the types of maps. Answer. There are 3 types of maps. A. Physical map. It is a kind of map which shows natural features such as mountains, rivers, hills, forests, etc. B. Political map. It is a kind of map which shows the details about countries, states, cities, etc. with their boundaries. C. Thematic map. It is a kind of map with specific kind of information on a particular theme.
Question 4. What are the components of map? Answer. The components of map are as follows. A. Distance. B. Direction. C. Symbol. Question 5. What is scale? Answer. The scale in map is the ratio between a distance on a map and the corresponding distance on the Earth's surface. Question 6. What do you mean by cardinal point? Answer. Cardinal points or cardinal directions are the 4 main compass directions, that are north, south, east, and west. Question 7. What do you mean by distance, direction and symbol? Answer. The distance in map represents the actual distance between 2 places with the help of a suitable scale. It is one of the 3 components of map. The direction is another component of map. There are 4 cardinal directions, north, south, east and west, and 4 intermediate direction, northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. The directions are represented by arrows in the map. Symbol is one of the 3 components of map. These are used to represent the physical and artificial things in the map. Question 8. What do you mean by coordinate? Answer. The system which is required to specify the position of a point or an object is known as coordinate. Question 9. What do you mean by latitude and longitude? Answer. Latitude is the measure of distance from the equator towards north or south direction, and longitude is the measure of distance from the prime meridian towards the east or west direction. Question 10. What do you mean by equator and parallel of latitude? Answer. The imaginary line that divides the Earth into 2 equal hemispheres, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, is known as equator. An imaginary line that runs through east-west direction and is parallel to the equator is known as parallel of latitude. Question 11. What are values of equator, North Pole and South Pole? Answer. The value of equator, North Pole and South Pole are 0 degrees, 90 degrees north and 90 degrees south respectively. Question 12. Write the relationship between latitude and the climate. Answer. Around the equator it is generally hot. As we move towards any of the poles, the temperature keeps decreasing, and as we reach the poles we can see ice and it is very cold there. Question 13. Write the names of 3 climatic zones. Answer. The names of 3 climatic zones are A. Torrid, B. Temperate, C. Frigid. Question 14. Write the another name of prime meridian. Answer. The other name of prime meridian is Greenwich meridian. Question 15. What is the value of prime meridian? Answer. The value of prime meridian is 0 degrees.
Question 16. Why is prime meridian called as Greenwich meridian? Answer. In the year 1884, some nations decided that the meridian passing through Greenwich, near London, would become the international standard for the prime meridian. So, the prime meridian is called as Greenwich meridian.
Question 17. What do you mean by grid line? Answer. The parallels of latitude and the meridians of longitude constitute an imaginary grid for the globe, which are known as grid lines.
Question 18. Write the name of the 2 countries which had a prime meridian of its own. Write the name of the prime meridian and where from it passes through. Answer. Many countries have had their own local prime meridian in the past, like India and France. The name of the prime meridian of ancient India was Middle Line or Madhya Rekha. It passes through Ujjain. The name of the prime meridian of France was Paris Meridian. It passes through Paris.
Question 19. Write the names of two famous astronomers. Answer. The names of two famous astronomers are Varaha Mihira and Aryabhatta. Question 20. What is the value of Madhya Rekha or middle line? Answer. The value of middle line is 75.8 degrees east. Question 21. Write the names of the cities which are close to Ujjain meridian. Answer. The names are 1. Kurukshetra, 2. Rohtak, 3. Nagar, 4. Ujjain, 5. Maheshwar, 6. Kanyakumari. Question 22. Write the name of the organization which published the map of India. Answer. The Survey of India published the map of India. Question 23. Latitudinally and longitudinally is India in which hemisphere? Answer. Latitudinally and longitudinally India is in northern and eastern hemisphere respectively. Question 24. Write the values of northernmost, southernmost, easternmost and westernmost points of India. Answer. The values of the northernmost, southernmost, easternmost and westernmost points of India are 37 degrees north, 8 degrees north, 97 degrees east and 68 degrees east respectively. Question 25. Difference of 15 degrees longitude means how much time difference? Answer. 1 degree difference in longitude means 4 minutes difference in time. So, 15 degrees difference in longitude means 1 hour time difference. Question 26. Suppose your home is in 20 degrees east and the time is 9 am and your friend lives in 80 degrees east. Now calculate the time of your friend's watch. Answer. Difference in longitude equals 80 degrees east minus 20 degrees east equals 60 degrees. We know 1 degree longitude difference means 4 minutes time difference. So, 60 degrees longitude difference means 4 times 60 minutes equals 240 minutes equals 4 hours time difference. Again we know that the place in more east is ahead in time than the other. Here, my friend's home is in more east than of my house. Therefore, time in my home plus 4 hours equals time in friend's home. So, the time of my friend's watch is 9 am plus 4 hours equals 1 pm. Question 27. What do you mean by standard time? Answer. Standard time is a uniform time adopted by a region or country, often based on the local time of a specific meridian within that region. Question 28. What are the full forms of IST and GMT? Answer. The full forms of IST and GMT are Indian Standard Time and Greenwich Mean Time, respectively. Question 29. What do you mean by International Date Line? Answer. The imaginary line, opposite to the Greenwich Meridian, which is at almost 180 degrees longitude is known as International Date Line. Question 30. If you move from east to west and cross the International Date Line, what do you have to do? Answer. We have to change the time of our watch and increase it by 24 hours. 1 day. This means, if we start to travel to west from east on Monday and cross the International Date Line, then we have to add a day, from Monday to Tuesday. Question 31. If you move from west to east and cross the International Date Line, what do you have to do? Answer. We have to change the time of our watch and decrease it by 24 hours, 1 day. This means, if we start to travel to east from west on Monday and cross the International Date Line, then we have to subtract a day, from Monday to Sunday. Question 32. What are coordinates? How can latitude and longitude be used to mark any location on the Earth? Answer. Coordinates are a set of values that define a specific point on a map. Latitude and longitude are used to mark any location on the Earth by providing an unique set of numerical values that describe its position relative to the equator, known as latitude, and the prime meridian, known as longitude. Question 33. How are local time and standard time related to longitude? Answer. Local time is determined by the position of the sun in the sky, which varies with longitude. Standard time is a uniform time adopted by a region or country, often based on the local time of a specific meridian within that region. Time zones are created by dividing the Earth into longitudinal sections, each typically 15 degrees wide. Question 34. Returning to page 10 and to Fig. 5.2 in chapter of this textbook, taking the scale to be 2.5 centimeters equals 500 kilometers. Calculate the real distance from the estuary of Narmada River to the estuary of Ganga River. Hint. Round off your measurement on the map to an easy number. Answer. The length between estuary of the Narmada River and the estuary of Ganga River is 10 centimeters, approx. 2.5 centimeters equals 500 kilometers. Therefore, 1 centimeter equals 500 divided by 2.5 kilometers. So, 10 centimeters equals 500 times 10 divided by 2.5 kilometers equals 2000 kilometers. Therefore, the distance is approximately 2000 kilometers. Question 35. Why is it 5:30 p.m. in India when it is 12 p.m. or noon in London? Answer. Indian Standard Time or IST is determined by the local time of 82.5 degrees east longitude. So, India is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of London time. That is why when it is 12 p.m. or noon in London, that is Greenwich Mean Time, it is 5:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Question 36. Why do we need symbols and colors in the map? Answer. Symbols and colors are used in maps to represent various features and informations clearly. They help users to quickly identify and understand different elements such as roads, rivers, buildings, and geographical features. Question 37. What is the difference between local time and standard time? Answer. Local time refers to the time based on the position of the sun in the sky at a specific location, which varies with longitude. Standard time is an uniform time adopted by a region or country, often based on the local time of a specific meridian within that region. Standard time helps in coordinating activities and schedules within a large area, avoiding confusion that would arise from having multiple local times. Question 38. Delhi's and Bengaluru's latitudes are 29 degrees north and 13 degrees north. Their longitudes are almost same, 77 degrees east. How much will be the difference in local time between two cities? Answer. Since Delhi and Bengaluru are almost on the same longitude, 77 degrees east, there is no significant difference in the local time between the two cities. Question 39. Write whether the statements are true or false with proper explanations. A. All parallels of latitude have the same length. Answer. False. Explanation. Parallels of latitude decrease in length as they move away from the equator towards the poles. B. The length of a meridian of longitude is half of that of the equator. Answer. True. Explanation. Meridians of longitude have half of the length of the equator because they run from pole to pole, whereas the equator covers the entire Earth, so the length of each meridian is the half of the Earth's perimeter, whereas the length of the equator is equal to the perimeter of the Earth. C. The South Pole has a latitude of 90 degrees south. Answer. True. Explanation. The South Pole is at the extreme point of the southern hemisphere of the Earth. D. In Assam, the local time and IST are identical. Answer. False. Explanation. Assam's local time is slightly ahead of the east due to its eastern position, but IST is used uniformly across India. E. Lines separating the time zones are identical with meridians of longitude. Answer. False. Explanation. Time zone lines often deviate from meridians to follow political and administrative boundaries. F. The equator is also a parallel of latitude. Answer. True. Explanation. The equator is the 0 degrees parallel of latitude. Question 40. What does the scale of a map represent? Answer. Scale is the suitable ratio between the map distance to the physical distance or the actual ground distance. Question 41. Why do we need symbols and colors in the map? Answer. Symbols and colors are used to represent the artificial and natural things, like graveyard, broad gauge, meter gauge, well, tank etc. in the map in a suitable manner. Question 42. What could be the local time at a place situated 60 degrees west and 90 degrees east of Greenwich, if it is 10 am at Greenwich? Show calculation. Answer. Local time of the place at 60 degrees west of Greenwich is 1 degree change in longitude equals 4-minute change in time. So, 60 degrees change in longitude equals 4 times 60 minutes equals 240 minutes equals 4 hours change in local time. As we know that the local time of western position lags behind the local time of the position from which the place's local time is measured. Here, the reference is the time of Greenwich. Time in Greenwich equals 10 am. So, the local time in the western position equals 10 am minus 4 hours equals 6 am. Local time of the place at 90 degrees east of Greenwich is 90 degrees change in longitude equals 4 times 90 minutes equals 360 minutes equals 6 hours change in the local time. As we know that the local time of a place in the eastern position leading before the local time of the position from which the place's local time is measured. Here, the reference point is Greenwich. Time in Greenwich is 10 am. So, the local time in the eastern position equals 10 am plus 6 hours equals 4 pm. Question 43. Briefly discuss the significance of the International Date Line. Answer. International Date Line is an imaginary line, which is situated at 180 degrees of the Greenwich meridian. It is a line which is not straight. If we travel from the east to west and cross this line, then we have to add 1 day to our clock. That means, if we start to travel on Monday, then we have to change the date to Tuesday if we cross the line. If we travel from west to east and cross this line, then we have to subtract 1 day from our clock. That means if we start to travel on Monday, we have to change it to Sunday. Question 44. Write the differences between physical map and political map. Answer. The differences between physical map and political map are: 1. Physical map shows natural features whereas political map shows states, countries, cities with boundaries. 2. In physical map there are no lines dividing the places whereas in political map there are lines dividing the places. Question 45. Which climatic zone receives the maximum amount of heat? Answer. Torrid. Question 46. Write the differences between latitude and longitude. Answer. The differences between latitude and longitude are: 1. Latitudes are full circle whereas longitudes are semicircle. 2. Latitudes are parallel to each other whereas longitudes are not parallel to each other. 3. Highest value of latitude is 90 degrees whereas the highest value of longitude is 180 degrees. 4. Latitudes are associated with climate whereas longitudes are associated with local time. 5. The lengths of the latitudes decrease from the equator to the poles whereas all the longitudes are of equal length. Question 47. What is the largest latitude? Answer. Equator.
Question 48. What is the largest longitude? Answer. All the longitudes are of equal length.
Question 49. How many time zones are there in USA? Answer. 6. Question 50. How many time zones are there in Russia? Answer. 11. It was the last question from this chapter. Hope you have enjoyed well. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video if you think it is helpful. Thank you for watching.